Hello students, welcome back. We are discussing problem based on simultaneous linear equation. If I recap the parts we have already done is the first problem based on numbers. Then today we are starting the problem based on fraction. Now let us take our first problem. The ratio of two number is 2 by 3 if 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Find the number. Now, we need to find out the number. So, as I mentioned in the earlier part, first we need to find out the unknowns and we assume it as let the number be x and y. Now the ratio of two number is given as 2 by 3. Therefore, x by y equals to 2 by 3. Now if you apply the cross multiplication, you will get 3 into x, 3x equals to 2 into y, 2y. That is 3x minus 2y equals to 0. Now read the second condition. If 2 is subtracted from the first, that is x minus 2, and 8 from the second, y minus 8, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Reciprocal of the original ratio means 2 by 3 is the original ratio. So reciprocal is 3 by 2. Now we apply the cross multiplication. So we will get 2x minus 4 equals to 3y minus 24. Now we are applying the cross multiplication. So we will get 2 into x, 2x minus 4 equals to 3 into y minus 24. That is 2x minus 3y equals to minus 24, and when you take this minus 4 to the other side, it will become plus 4. So you will get minus 20. So this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Here I am opting for elimination method. You can opt for substitution or cross multiplication method, whichever method is convenient to you. So elimination method, I am eliminating x. So I am multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3, and then I am going to perform the subtraction. So you will get 6x minus 4y equals to 0, 6x minus 9y equals to minus 60. Apply the sign changes as we do in the elimination method. So if you simplify, you will get y equals to 30. Now once you get the value of y equals to 30, substitute in any one of the equation. Here I am substituting in 1. So you will get 3x minus 2y. That means 2 into 30 equals to 0. That is 3x equal to 60. It implies x equal to 20. Therefore, the numbers are 20 and 30 respectively. Moving into the next problem. Find the fraction which becomes 1 by 2 when the denominator is increased by 4 and is equal to 1 by 8 when the numerator is diminished by 3. Now let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction by x by y, where x is the numerator and y is the denominator. So for the first condition is given, fraction becomes half when denominator is increased by 4. Denominator is increased by 4 means numerator remains the same as no information is given to you. So x by y plus 4 equals to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, simplify, you will get 2x minus y equals to 4. This is our first equation. Now the second equation is given is equal to 1 by 8 when the numerator is diminished by 5. So numerator is diminished by 5 means x minus 5 by y equals to 1 by 8. If you apply the cross multiplication, you will get 8x minus y equals to 40. This is equation 2. Now, if you look at the y part, it is same, coefficient is same. So in this equation, I am preferring sub elimination method over any other method. That will be easy for our calculation. Now 2x minus y equal to 40, 8x minus y equal to 2x minus y equals to 4, 8x minus y equal to 40. I am performing subtraction. Y will get cancelled. Minus 6x equal to minus 36. Therefore, x equal to 6. Once you get the value of x, you can substitute in any one of the equation. Here I am substituting 1 to find out the value of y. So x equal to 6, y equal to 8. Therefore, we write required fraction is equal to 6 by 8. Now student, we cannot leave here only the value of x and y, because question is given as find the fraction. So your answer should be in the form of fraction. I hope you understand this. Practice the sum. Thank you for watching this.